Welcome back to Tinni's Astronomical Secrets. Today we're diving into the cosmos to uncover 15 fascinating and lesser-known facts about space and galaxies. Let's get started. Did you know our Milky Way galaxy is on a collision course with the Andromeda galaxy? In about 4.5 billion years, they'll merge to form a new galaxy, sometimes called Milkomeda. Dark matter makes up about 27% of the universe, yet we can't see it. It's an invisible substance that interacts with gravity, holding galaxies together. Stars have different lifespans based on their mass. Massive stars burn through their fuel quickly and live only a few million years, while smaller stars, like red dwarfs, can live for billions of years. Neutron stars are incredibly dense. A sugar cube-sized amount of neutron star material would weigh about 1 billion tons on Earth. In space, no one can hear you scream. That's because there is no atmosphere to carry sound waves. IC 1101 is the largest known galaxy, stretching over 6 million light-years across. It's a giant, elliptical galaxy about 1 billion light-years away from Earth. Galactic cannibalism occurs when larger galaxies consume smaller ones. Our Milky Way has swallowed several dwarf galaxies over its lifetime. In the vacuum of space, metal objects can fuse together without heat in a process called cold welding. This happens because the atoms on the surfaces of the metals have no air or water between them. The Pillars of Creation are part of the Eagle Nebula, and are one of the most iconic images captured by the Hubble Space Telescope. They are active star-forming regions within the nebula. Hypervelocity stars are stars moving so fast that they can escape the gravitational pull of their home galaxies. They are typically ejected by the supermassive black hole at the center of a galaxy. The Great Attractor is a gravitational anomaly in intergalactic space that is pulling our galaxy, along with others, towards it. Its exact nature remains unknown. Rogue planets are planets that don't orbit a star. They wander through the galaxy alone in the darkness of space. Astronauts report that space smells like hot metal or seared steak after a spacewalk. This is likely due to high-energy vibrations and particles in space. Cosmic rays are high-energy particles from outer space that constantly bombard Earth. They can pose a danger to astronauts and technology in space. The observable universe is estimated to be about 93 billion light-years in diameter. However, the entire universe is likely much larger and possibly infinite. Space is truly a frontier of endless wonders and mysteries. Thanks for joining us on this cosmic journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Tinni's Astronomical Secrets for more fascinating explorations of the universe. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious.